Brazil, February 19, 2023. In Sao Paulo, 680 millimeters, 27 inches, of rain fell in only one day.
Misericórdia, tá? Das pessoas, a força d'água tá muito grande, a cachoeira tá muito forte, subiu por cima da ponte, tá revoltado. Só pedir a Deus misericórdia, o asfalto tá levantando tudo. É bem complicado com o veloso, tá? Bem complicado.
Flooding and landslides in Sao Paulo have claimed the lives of dozens of people. The governor of Sao Paulo state in Brazil has declared a state of emergency in some portions of the state's north coast after heavy rains caused flooding and landslides in those regions. From the night of February 19th to the morning of February 20th, 2023, the local authorities reported that there was as much as 683 millimeters, 27 inches, of rain that fell in Bertioga. Dozens of people are missing, and the number of people who have died is likely to rise. However, rescue workers say they hope to save some of the people who are stuck in their flooded homes. Videos showed neighborhoods that were underwater, roads that were flooded, and the debris that was left behind after houses were swept away. In a number of cities, carnival events have been cancelled. On February 19th, the governor of the state, Tarcísio de Freitas, announced the declaration of a state of emergency for the cities of Ubatuba, São Sebastião, Ilhabela, Caraguatatuba, and Bertioga. As of the 20th of February, it was verified that there had been a total of 36 fatalities, including 35 deaths in São Sebastião, 31 deaths in Barra do Sahi, 2 deaths in Juqua, 1 death in Camburi, 1 death in Boiquicanga, and 1 death in Ubatuba. Flooding and landslides have caused damage to properties around the region, and as a result, 566 people have been forced to relocate or have been rendered homeless. There are significant obstacles to transportation as a result of the closure or washing away of dozens of roadways. More than 130 teams from the Brazilian Army, the military police, the fire department, and the civil defense have been delayed in the regions where they are working to provide relief and search and rescue services.
Olha, não dá para passar. Que teve na rua.
Olha isso, tá uma ponte. Que horror, olha o campo.
The neighborhoods of Barra do Sahi and Camburi in São Sebastião are where the majority of the work is being done. On February 20th, around 80 additional police officers are anticipated to report tardiness. According to the authorities of the state of Sao Paulo, The beginning of the wet season was on February 18th. The following list includes some of the greatest accumulations during a period of 24 hours ending on February 19th. Bertioga 683 mm, 27 inches, Huarucha 395 mm, 15.5 inches, Santos 232 mm, 9.1 inches, Yubataba 335 mm, 13 inches, El Habala 337 mm, 13 inches, and Sao Sebastio 627 mm, 24.7 inches. The state has been hit by another catastrophic flood disaster for the second time in the previous 2 weeks. The greater Sao Paulo area was impacted by flooding on February 7th. According to Agência Brasil, the state news agency, one individual was found dead in the flood waters in Osasco.
Da baleia, pós-tempestade, 600 milímetros de chuva, um furacão que veio de South Georgia, próximo à Antártida, e as consequências aqui foram bem feias, as estradas estão fechadas, tanto para
Another person was reported missing and later found dead as a result of the flooding at Parque São Lucas, which is located in the east zone of the city of Sao Paulo. Flooding and landslides have also been triggered in other parts of the state as a result of the heavy rain. The State Department of Civil Protection released an update on 249 rain-related events, 8,547 people displaced, and 25 deaths on February 13, 2023.
Olha aí, ó. Praia da Baleia. Olha lá. Desmoronou tudo lá, ó. Olha isso.
The information covered the period beginning December 1, 2022 and ending February 13, 2023. More heavy rain is expected in the region, which poses the risk of making circumstances even more difficult for the rescue teams.
Olha isso, mano. Saca só. Carro ali, ó, quase.
Olha o estado aqui da estrada Rio Santos. Estamos entre